little bit at a time. This space here hasn't been open since day one. Finally got it cleaned out, all the trash away from it. Now I'm gonna put a pallet down so I can start stacking stuff on that pallet and around it. Scrapping with Grandpa. It's gonna be a beautiful day here in Southeast North Carolina. I got a lot of work to do. And there ain't but one way to do it. And you know how that is. Just do it. So anyways, I want to thank everybody for sharing part of their day with me every time they watch one of my videos. I do. I think it's awesome. Thank you. I've been saving a lot of motors, small things to tear apart this winter. From what I understand from watching Superman. The hell? Can't believe I can't remember his name. He's got Superman on the front of his shirt. Anyway, yeah, so I've been watching one of his channels and he scrapped out one of these and showed me the copper that's right in between them two pieces, which you can cut off about 6 ounces of it. Pretty heavy, so you get your magnets, your aluminum, and that rod right there has copper in it. So I'll be keeping them from now on, micro scrapping. When I don't have anything else to do, I always keep anything with wires on it or donuts. But you've been watching us clean up this yard, and I've been saying I'm gonna get it done for 2 months. I'm actually getting closer and closer because we're getting a scrapping shed built right there, a metal building. It's gonna be a metal. I'm not gonna build it like I did that. I built that section onto my house. Me and Paul and Chris Watson, his son Matt Watson. Yeah, that used to be my garage, my scrap shed, and now it's part of my house. That's my scrap shed. That's my old 7x24 roofing trailer that I used to drag around with me everywhere I went, along with that one. I used to use this trailer, the reason why I have it, I used to use this trailer for hauling shingles, and now I do free scrap metal pickup unless it's a TV, tube TV, or a flat screen. I'm not picking them up for free anymore. I don't tear them down. I just carry them to the recycle center, because if I took all the flat screens and tube TVs, this is what I have. I'd have a trailer full of trash. This is all trash from scrapping, but I'd have a trailer full all the time, and I'd have to pay to get rid of it. And the only place that I can bring it to is the Brunswick County landfill, and that landfill is a 25-minute ride from here, and then 25 minutes back, obviously, so that's an hour. Not counting the time you're going to sit up there and sit in line waiting to dump your trash. So I'm not going to do the tube TVs, even though I have a bunch of them. I just don't want to pay to bring them to the landfill when I'm finished with them, because there's a lot of glass in them things, and it can get expensive, to be honest with you. So I'm not going to pick up anything with rubber on it anymore either. I don't care if it does have an aluminum rim on it. I got to pay to get rid of this rubber. Yeah, I got to pay for getting rid of rubber, and I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tires that I can look at right now, and probably more. Just like them gas bottles that we tore apart the other day. We knocked the heads off them things, the empty ones, and then we found one with some gas in it, and I knocked the head off of it, and you've seen it shoot out through my lot. Yeah, I'm not gonna do them anymore. And my scrapyard said they took them this time because they didn't realize what I was talking about when I called them. So somebody else made a comment that their scrapyard doesn't take them bottles, and neither does mine. Now that I brought them in one time, they told me we don't take them. So Anyways, I'm moving all of this out of the way so I can get myself something here that I can start putting my stuff on and stacking it up, getting it moved over. And as I move it over, of course, it's going to be much neater. TVs, Paul and I are bringing in Monday. We're bringing them right to the recycle place, and I'm going to let them recycle them. Brunswick County will do it. And I tell you what, this TV right here, I want to say it weighs 400, maybe 300 pounds all by itself. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. You don't get much out of these screens. I mean, micro scrapping's cool and all, but if I just don't get enough out of it to make it worth my time, and it's aggravating for me, I think it's aggravating taking them things apart. So anyway, these things here, these old charging things here, they got a good piece of copper in them things, old battery chargers. Nice piece of copper. As you can see, I've taken apart a couple flat screens, more than a couple actually. And I might be able to bring that in for dirty, because that's a whole sheet of aluminum, to be honest with you. This is another piece with just steel. But that whole aluminum sheet, I'm thinking, praying, hoping and wishing after I get the glass off the other side, will go in as dirty aluminum or irony aluminum, whatever they want to call it. I want to get this pile over there stacked neatly. So that's my plan for the day. Wish me luck. Plus all the cleanup that I'm throwing into the trailer, because Paul and I are going to make a trash run on Monday. So I'll be cutting this stuff off of the chairs. I wish I had all that rubber off. But starting to look up around here. At least I see a lot of open places that used to be piled up. Open spots. So these open spots. Oh shoot, another 4 tires over there. Yeah, these open spots are going to make, is really going to bring this stuff together. So anyways, let's get to work. And I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. I already put a video on today. I just wanted to put this one on because I'm probably not going to do a whole lot of video taping today. Just maybe a picture here and there as I'm getting the cleanup. So I'm going to go ahead and send this one out to you. Let everybody know what I'm doing on the day after Christmas in my yard. Happy New Year, everybody. And don't forget about the GoPro 8 giveaway. And that GoPro is the one that I film all my shows on. So that's a good camera. You'll get a camera, a battery, and a charger. Maybe an SD card. They are kindly expensive, or a small one. I'll get you a small SD card to put in it so you can start your videos as soon as you get it. But I am giving it away when I hit that 2,000 subs. That's my other channel, by the way, if anybody doesn't know. I'm a roofer, and you can check out my other channel. So that's enough of rambling on. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video, download it, send it out to you guys as we speak. So you should be watching this here in just a few minutes, along with the other one that I put out this morning of me and Paul, mostly doing a bunch of air conditioners. We tore down a lot of stuff. Look at this. Cut off all the radiator ends. Can't believe these didn't make it into the truck the other day. Yeah, nice aluminum. Whole bunch of rad ends. And I don't bring them in like that either. I take them pieces off. And then motors from the stuff we tore apart that we've been tearing apart this week. Yep. And which you'll, I imagine, see the video of. But anyways, thanks for watching, everybody, and spending a little bit of your time with me, Scrapping with Grandpa, and an occasional incognito video, as long as y'all don't mind. If anybody hates incognito and just doesn't want to see me, see him on my channel, just let me know. I'll do my best to accommodate everybody. I want everybody to be happy with what they're watching. I just try to keep it fun, keep it real. That's about it. And that's what I do. Just try to keep it fun, keep it real. That's where the excitement comes out of this. I mean, you have to have some excitement, and I'm just excited. This stuff right here is the most exciting thing to me that you can imagine. I mean, I just love it. This is a nice piece of stainless. I love it. I'm trying to make a living at this. I mean, this is what I'm trying to do for a living, everybody. So this is my job, if you want to call it that. I don't call it a job because I just enjoy it so much. I mean, as a kid, who didn't enjoy tearing things apart? I mean, you give me something to tear apart, I was a little boy. Good God, I was in heaven. I mean, absolute heaven. That's where I wanted to be. So anyways, I got a whole bunch of stuff to tear apart. So Happy New Year. Thanks for spending, like I said, a little bit of your all's time with me. Scrapping with Grandpa. Especially when I do a little crazy video of just walking around my yard showing you how messy it is. But it's going to be clean soon, and where I'm standing right now, I will be inside of my metal recycling building. And the reason why I'm building this building now is because I'm 59 years old. We have the money to do it now. I don't know if we will later. So we're going to go ahead and get it built, get our swimming pool in. My wife and I are going to be retired, and we just don't want to have to do it later and worry that we don't have the money for it. So we're going to go ahead and build the building, get a pool in, retire, be happy. I'm going to be out here, be happy. She'll be over there at a pool being happy. Happy wife, happy life, brother. Thanks again for watching.